Welcome back to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of mini chainsaws. If you're looking for a powerful yet compact solution for your gardening and trimming needs, you're in the right place. Mini chainsaws have become essential tools for homeowners, gardeners, and DIY enthusiasts alike. In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 mini chainsaws of 2026. These tools not only promise efficiency, but also portability, making them perfect for any task, big or small. Let's get started and find the right tool for you. Mini chainsaw, cordless, 8-inch and 6-inch electric, chainsaw battery-powered. 1000-watt, brushless handheld power chainsaw with yeared 2 batteries. Small tree saw for branch trimming, wood cutting. This mini chainsaw is an excellent choice for those who need a versatile and powerful tool for various woodcutting tasks. With an impressive 1000-watt brushless motor, it features both 8-inch and 6-inch blades, allowing you to tackle a variety of branches and tree sizes effortlessly. It comes with 2 batteries, ensuring you have enough power to complete your job without interruptions. Ideal for homeowners looking to maintain their gardens, this saw is lightweight and easy to handle. A minor drawback is that while it's great for small to medium tasks, it may struggle with thicker branches. Seesii, mini chainsaw, portable electric chainsaws, cordless, handheld chainsaw, pruning shears. Chainsaws for tree branches, courtyard, household and garden, Father Day gift for men, dad, husband, women. The Seesii mini chainsaw stands out for its portability and user-friendly design, making it perfect for light gardening duties. This cordless electric chainsaw is lightweight and features a comfortable grip, which makes it ideal for pruning branches and trimming shrubs in your courtyard. Its compact size makes it easy to maneuver, ensuring you can reach those tricky spots with ease. Additionally, it operates quietly, which is a significant advantage in residential areas. However, it may not be suitable for larger or tougher tasks that require more power and durability. Tietoc mini chainsaw, 6-inch with 2 batteries, electric saw, stocking stuffers. Christmas birthday gifts, present for men, dad, husband, gardener, adults, cool gadgets. This 6-inch mini chainsaw by Tietoc is a great gift for gardening enthusiasts. It includes 2 batteries, providing extended usage for trimming branches and cutting wood. This electric saw is designed with safety features such as a safety switch, making it suitable for both experienced users and beginners. The ergonomic design reduces fatigue, allowing you to work longer without discomfort. It's perfect for light to medium jobs around the yard. On the downside, while it excels in portability and ease of use, it may not perform as well on larger tasks requiring heavier duty equipment. Tietoc chainsaw, 6-inch mini electric chainsaw, cordless. Battery-powered, handheld, saw for wood, trees, trimming. Tools for household and garden, chainsaw gift for men, dad, husband, fathers, gardener ranked second on our list. The Tietoc chainsaw is perfect for household and garden tasks. This cordless electric chainsaw features a 6-inch blade, striking a balance between size and power. It's especially useful for trimming trees and clearing your yard, and it's equipped with a safety guard to protect users during operation. The 2 included batteries enhance its usability, allowing for extended work without needing to recharge constantly. While it's durable and efficient, users may find it less effective for larger projects, as it is designed with smaller tasks in mind. Seesii mini chainsaw, 6-inch mini chainsaw, cordless, handheld electric power chainsaw with 2 batteries. For tree trimming, wood cutting, best gifts for father, dad, husband, men. Taking the top spot is the Seesii mini chainsaw. This compact, cordless saw is designed for maximum efficiency, featuring a 6-inch blade and a powerful motor that can easily handle tree trimming and wood cutting tasks. It comes with 2 batteries, ensuring you have the energy you need to get through those jobs without interruptions. Its lightweight design makes it easy to use, even for extended periods. This tool is perfect for anyone from weekend gardeners to seasoned DIYers. The only downside is that while it performs exceptionally well for its size, it may not be the best choice for heavy-duty cutting on larger trees. Thank you for joining us as we explored the top 5 mini chainsaws of 2026. Whether you need a tool for occasional yard work or something more robust for regular gardening, there's an option here for you. We encourage you to check out the links below for more details and grab the one that suits your needs best. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more great content.